Corona-Norco Unified School District is proud to have a new high school youth apprenticeship program, which offers paid work-based learning programs, master skilled mentors, company professional learning, and more. Work-based learning has always been one of the strongest forms of educating for careers and preparation for post-secondary education. Our apprenticeship programs are registered with the Department of Labor and Department of Apprenticeship Standards. These apprenticeship programs are part of our career technical education pathways and currently include architecture, woodworking, entrepreneurship, and education.
I'm very excited and grateful for the opportunity, and so far it's been really exciting to work within the industry and have already a foot into work and world of engineering, so I've been really happy about that.
We can start to get into the field that we're interested in, such as wood shop, metal shop, whatever. We can learn more, and the people here at WB Powell can train me to become a worker that they want in the future. That way they can hire me out of high school.
As one of the leading employers in the Inland Empire, Corona-Norco is leading the way by employing the largest cohort of apprentices from the education pathway as Para-Educator Assistants, paving the way for a growing program and tackling the obstacles that we face in public education.
I look forward to helping out the teachers, seeing what it's like to be in a classroom, and as well as just building connections with students.
And it'll be able to give me some experience for in the future. Education is something that I really do want to pursue.
Yes, this is definitely a career path I'm considering in the future, and it's one of the paths I'm leaning more towards.
An apprenticeship gives students the chance to grow in a specific profession from an early age in hopes that it can jumpstart their careers into the amazing professionals we know they can be.
What I hope to accomplish is new connections with people and leadership skills and socializing skills. I would say it's a great thing for you. It looks good when you do resumes for other jobs.
So it really gets me to be able to talk to people comfortably.
Yeah, at first when I first started the job here at launch, I didn't really know how many youth apprentices there were. So being one of the first was really inspiring and encouraging to continue on our journey as an apprentice.
Students have the option of working before school, after school, and also during a period of the regular school day. So join us at the Corona-Norco Career Technical Education Youth Apprenticeship Program, where your future takes flight.